Hello, partners. Welcome to the partner enablement session. Myself, Abhinaya. I'll be the host for your day. So let's wait for 2 more minutes for other partners to also join in. I can see a lot of new partners and also our regular attendees here. So yeah, I welcome you all. Let's have 2 more minutes. Thanks. All right. So once again, I welcome you all to the 22nd partner enablement session. Myself, Abhinaya. And first of all, thank you so much, partners, for joining. And I couldn't wait to, present what we have in store for you for the upcoming session. So let me give a quick introduction about the series that we are, conducting every week, just for the sake of new partners. So the partner enablement sessions are aimed at enabling partners with skills and resources to spearhead growth for their company and business. And this series is a recurring series which happens every Thursday. So please mark your calendar on a default note for 12 o'clock. We'll be having a regular session, every week. And thank you so much. Thank you so much. So let me start the session with some housekeeping points. So please do not reproduce the content or replicate the presentation in any format, or please don't share it with any third parties. If you have any queries during the session, please post it on the Q&A section we have. We have our technical team to take care of it, and we'll also be sharing the recording and the presentation with you. If you have any technical questions are been answered in the chat box, I'll be sharing that as well with you. And with no further delay, let me get into the session. Did you know that Zoho Writer can help you automate your business processes, or that you can, real-time collaboration and mail merge and everything can be done in that platform? Do you know that? I didn't know that. So today we are going to learn how Zoho Writer is a handy tool for business, which can streamline, automate, and enhance the processes. So I hope by the end of this session, you'll understand various content creation, automation, and collaboration capabilities of that, very special tool. And today we have expert team from Zoho Writer to handle the session. So let's welcome Varadarajan. He's our marketing analyst, and Gautam, who's a technical support engineer, and Balaji, he's a subject matter expert. So this session will be handled by Balaji, and over to you, Balaji. All the best.
All right. Thank you so much, Abniya. Hope my voice is loud and clear, and the screen is visible as well. Perfect. So without any further ado, let's get started. So hello and welcome, partners. I'm Balaji, a senior subject matter expert for Zoho WorkDrive and Office Suite. Today, I'm thrilled to host this webinar on how Zoho Writer can enhance business productivity. So it is an incredible tool that brings together advanced features, collaborative capabilities, and automation options to streamline your document creation and management processes. Without any further delay, let's get started. So let us jump right into today's agenda and explore the key topics we'll be covering in detail. First, on our agenda, in an overview of Zoho Writer, we'll take a closer look at the powerful features and functionalities that make Zoho Writer an ideal solution for businesses of all sizes. From its user-friendly interface to its extensive formatting options, so you have everything within Zoho Writer. So it is very much easier to sell it to each and every client that you have as a partner. Next up, we will explore advanced layout and designing in Zoho Writer. So you can discover how you can take your documents to the next level with advanced formatting options, including templates and orientation. So whether you need to create a professional report or marketing materials, Zoho Writer has got you covered. Moving on, we'll delve into the collaboration power of Zoho Writer with real-time collaboration. You can explore how multiple team members can work simultaneously on the same document, making edits, leaving comments, and ensuring seamless teamwork. Up next, we have approval workflows. So in this topic, you'll see how Zoho Writer simplifies and streamlines the approval process for your documents. With workflows, you can define the review and approval stages, assign it to the right team members, and ensure a smooth and efficient document approval process. Next up, we will explore automation templates. This helps you save time and effort, allowing you to focus on what matters most, that is creating high quality content. Last but not the least, we will conclude our webinar with an exciting segment called What is New and Cooking with Zoho Writer. So you'll get the latest updates, features, and enhancements in Zoho Writer that are designed to enhance your productivity further. And you can stay ahead of the curve with the newest additions to Zoho Writer. That is what we have planned for the rest of the year. So let us start our exploration of Zoho Writer with an overview of its key features and capabilities. So as you know, Zoho Writer can be used as a separate document creation tool, but also Zoho Writer is integrated with most of Zoho's application. So wherever you need document writing creation or a reviewal process or even distributing it. So first and foremost, Zoho Writer is designed to be accessible and flexible across multiple devices. Whether you're using a phone, a tablet, so it could be either Android or iOS, or it could be a web browser, or even a desktop application. The Writer ensures a seamless experience across all platforms. You can easily switch between devices without any hassle, allowing you to work anytime and any place. But what if you find a situation in which you don't have access to internet? So no worries, Zoho Writer still has got you covered with its offline support. You can continue working on your documents even when you're offline, ensuring uninterrupted productivity. Once you're back online, Zoho Writer automatically syncs your changes, keeping your documents up to date. Up next, we have our smart writing assistant powered by Zia. Zoho Writer takes your writing to the next level with this tool. So it helps you improve your writing in multiple ways. So not that everyone has easier writing skills, not everyone can completely work on the documents without any additional help. So that's where Zia comes in place. So first, Zia provides grammar suggestions. So it analyzes your content and offers suggestions to enhance your grammar, punctuations, and even the sentence structure. This ensures that your documents are polished and error-free. Additionally, Zia provides a readability score. It evaluates your document's complexity and readability, so helping you create a content that is easily understood by your target audience. Furthermore, Zia shows you the writing quality of your document. It highlights areas where improvements can be made, such as clarity and overall effectiveness. So with Zia's guidance, you can elevate the impact of your writing. And up next, Zoho Writer provides extensions as well. So this can be extensions starting from ChatGPT, your Zoho Desk extension, or even other extensions that are available from the Zoho Writers marketplace. So even we have added an extension called as Zotero recently, which helps with citations and bibliography. So these extensions enhance Zoho Writer's functionality, so they can be directly added to Zoho Writer, extending its capabilities and integrating with other tools and services. So this again helps you tailor your needs based on your requirements. So that gives you a quick overview of Zoho Writer. So let's jump into advanced layout and designing. You get ready to discover how Zoho Writer empowers you to create visually appealing and professional documents with ease by making use of the following features that we'll be discussing. So first up, let's talk about orientation. Zoho Writer allows you to have both portrait, not just portrait, also landscape orientation within the same document. This flexibility is particularly useful when creating reports, brochures, or any document that requires a mix of different page layouts. This helps you have the freedom to design your document exactly the way you envision it. Let's take, for an example, imagine you are creating a business report that includes a mix of text heavy pages and data intensive charts. With Zoho Writer's orientation options, you can seamlessly switch between portrait and landscape layouts, ensuring your content is presented in the most impactful and visually appealing way. And next up, we have multi-column support. This enables you to create documents with multiple columns, making it perfect for newsletters and again, brochures or any content that benefits from a multi-column layout. This feature provides a professional and organized appearance to your documents. And for instance, if you're designing a newsletter for your business, Zoho Writer's multi-column support allows you to present a variety of articles efficiently, images, and other content in an easy to read format. It ensures your newsletter captivates your audience and effectively conveys your message. So that's how it makes the layout much easier directly using Zoho Writer. Next up, we have floating text boxes or even shapes. So this enables you to add text boxes any place within your document. So these text boxes can contain additional information, annotations, or sidebars that supplement your main content. So it has a powerful tool to enhance the visual appeal. For example, if you're creating a research paper or a proposal, you can utilize the floating text boxes to provide additional explanations, references, or supporting data. This allows you to maintain a clean and a focused main content area while incorporating relevant information. And moving on, let us discuss gutter margin support. So this allows you to set a gutter margin, which is an extra margin space in the middle of a double-sided document. So this is particularly useful for documents that will be printed and bound. For instance, you have a client who would publish books. So let's say they are creating a book or a booklet. So the margin support, the gutter margin support ensures that a content near the binding is not obscured. So making it easy to read and navigate. This attention to detail enhances the overall reading experience and sets your document apart from the completion. So now let us explore footnotes. So Zoho Writer allows you to add footnotes to your document. So these are useful for citing resources, providing additional explanations, or referencing related information without interrupting the flow of the document. So using this, you can maintain a clean and organized document while providing essential context or supporting material. And for an example in this case would be, let's say I'm writing a research paper or a legal document. So footnotes allow you to include references or explanations without cluttering the main body of the text. This enhances the credibility and professionalism of your document, making it easier for readers to access additional information. For instance, next let's go to customizable headers and footers. So this offers a range of options to tailor your headers and footers to your specific document requirements. You can create different headers and footers for odd and even pages, as well as define a unique header and footer for the first page alone. Let's say you're setting up a cover page. For instance, if you're preparing a formal report or a document with multiple sections, so these customizable headers and footers allow you to include page numbers, document titles, dates, and other relevant information. This not only adds a professional touch to your document, but also ensures consistency and ease of navigation. But before we move on to the next topic, let us take a moment to highlight how Zoho Writer stands out compared to its competitors in terms of layout and design capabilities. So Writer offers unique features that help with document layout and designing. These comprehensive set of features set it apart from its competitors, enabling you to create visually stunning and professional documents. So while competitors may offer limited layout options or lack specific design, Writer provides a robust suite of tools to unleash your creativity and achieve the desired visual impact for your documents. So next up, we have real-time collaboration. You'll see how it empowers teams to collaborate seamlessly using Zoho Writer. So one of the key collaboration features in Zoho Writer is access receipts. With access receipts, you can track who has opened the document and when. This provides transparency and accountability, allowing you to stay informed about document engagement within your team. For example, you are working on a critical project with a team of colleagues. By using Zoho Writer's access receipts, you can monitor who has viewed the document, ensuring that important information is being reviewed by the intended recipients. So this feature is particularly useful when tracking document progress or verifying that stakeholders have engaged within the content. Next up, we have the quick chat feature in Zoho Writer, which enables you to have real-time discussions within the document itself, eliminating the need for external communication channels and streamlining collaborations. For instance, imagine you're working on a project proposal. Instead of switching between email or messaging platforms, your clients can make use of Zoho Writer's quick chat feature to discuss specific sections, provide feedback, or address questions directly within the document. This ensures efficient and contextual communication, keeping everyone on the same page. Another valuable collaboration feature is the use of live cursors. So this is something that I would like to highlight on. So these cursors show you exactly where each collaborator is working within the document in real time. For example, let us say you're collaborating with a team member on a report. So with these live cursors, you can see exactly where your colleague is editing or making changes within the document. So this again promotes collaboration, prevents conflicting edits, and enhances overall efficiency. And again, to increase efficiency, let us talk about locking content. So this allows you to lock specific content within a document to ensure that it remains intact and unaltered by collaborators. Consider a scenario where you're sharing a document with your team, but you want to preserve certain sections that should not be modified. Zoho Writer's lock content feature allows you to protect specific content from unintentional changes. This ensures the integrity of your document and saves valuable time by avoiding potential errors or rework. Additionally, Zoho Writer offers a valuable feature called content masking. So with masking, you can hide specific content within a document from collaborators, allowing you to share a document while keeping sensitive or confidential information secure. For example, it could be PII data. For instance, if you're collaborating with external clients on a proposal, you may want to hide pricing details or internal notes from their view. So this enables you to protect sensitive information while collaborating seamlessly, maintaining confidentiality and control over the information shared. Let us focus on one of the most important collaboration features with Zoho Writer, which is track changes. This empowers you to provide feedback, suggest edit, and track the evolution of the document throughout the collaboration process. For example, imagine you're working on a document with multiple reviewers or editors in this case. This feature allows you each collaborator to make edits, leave comments, and suggest improvements, and you can easily review and accept or reject changes, facilitating a collaborative and iterative approach to document refinement. So this is particularly valuable for projects that involve multiple external users or could be internal users. In any case, it requires a comprehensive audit trail of the changes made. So this again introduces us to the approval workflows in Zoho Writer. So this is something that you guys would love. So this is designed to streamline document approval processes and enhance the collaboration with your users. So these workflows provide a structured framework for review, approval, and maintaining a comprehensive history and audit trail. You heard it right; it's a comprehensive history and an audit trail. So one of the key features of the approval workflows is the availability of default workflows. So these include review workflows, approval, and combine together review and approval workflows. So these predefined workflows provide a foundation for efficient and structured document processing. For example, imagine you have a document that requires multiple stages of review and approval before it can be finalized. With Zoho Writer's default workflows, you can easily assign reviewers, set due dates, track the progress of the document, and ensure that all necessary steps are completed. So our approval workflows offers flexibility by allowing you to set due dates, choose the reviewer of the workflow. This ensures that the document moves through the approval process smoothly and meets the required timeline. For instance, let's say you're working on a proposal that needs to go through several rounds of review and approval. With Zoho Writer, you can set specific due dates and assign the appropriate reviewers. So this enables efficient coordination, ensures timely feedback, and keeps the document moving towards completion. So another powerful feature to be noted on the approval workflow is the ability to invoke custom functions once the workflow is complete. So this can be well used if you're implementing something for your client. So this opens up possibilities for automating post-approval actions like publishing the document or renaming it. For example, after a document is approved, you can configure Zoho Writer to automatically publish it on your company's website or intranet. So this again eliminates the need for manual intervention, saves time, and ensures that the latest version of the document is readily accessible to the intended audience. Perhaps one of the most crucial aspects of Zoho Writer's approval workflows is the maintenance of a comprehensive history and an audit trail. So this provides a detailed record of the document's journey through the approval process, capturing all the changes, comments, and actions taken at each stage. So consider a scenario where compliance and accountability are paramount. So this approval workflows provide an invaluable audit trail documenting who reviewed, approved, or made changes to the document. So this is particularly important for industries with regulatory requirements or for organizations that need to maintain a transparent and auditable document management process. So using this, you can empower businesses to streamline document processes, ensure timely approvals, automate post-approval actions, and maintain a comprehensive history and audit trail. Stay tuned as we continue our webinar to our next topic, automation templates. And just give me a quick minute. Let me just grab a quick cup of water. Thank you so much. So next up, a powerful feature that streamlines document creation, customization, merging, signing, and filling. So these templates provide a template-driven approach, allowing you to create, import, and automate document workflows with ease. So one of the key advantages of Zoho Writer's automation templates is a template-driven approach. So all your automation functions are neatly split into 3 different options that are specifically made to cater your business needs. So choosing the type of template you want to work with will convert your editor to include only related tools, customization options, and associated workflows that are required for the particular template type. So this gives you the ultimate minimal automation experience. For example, imagine you frequently generate contracts, agreements, or invoices. With the merge templates, you can create a template with placeholders for variables such as names, dates, and amounts. So each time you need to generate a new document, you can simply put up a data source that needs to be attached to the template and generate a customized document and also customize how the output needs to be done. So this again saves time, reduces errors, and ensures consistency in document generation. So Zoho Writer provides flexibility in creating templates. You can create templates from scratch using the powerful features available within Zoho Writer. Alternatively, you also have the option to choose from the pre-designed templates, so based on your requirement, available within Zoho Writer. So these automation options are available across Zoho's applications. So it could be CRM, Recruit, or People. So it can also be Zoho Forms, or even you can use a Zoho Sheet as a data source. And again, back to the templates, you can either use our predefined templates or import docx templates from your MS Word applications. And the best part, Zoho Writer even supports importing PDF files and as well as fillable PDF forms too. So let us say you have a unique document format or layout specific to your business needs. So you can create custom templates tailored to your requirements. On the other hand, if you already have templates with Microsoft Word or a PDF format, you can effortlessly import them into Zoho Writer. So this preserves the structure and the formatting. So this enables seamless integration of your existing document templates into the Zoho Writer ecosystem. As most people would already know, so there are multiple template formats. So mail merge with our merge templates, assigned templates, and fillable templates. So fillable is one of the key templates that I used to get documents to be filled in by external users. That is, you send out the documents and you have your end user fill in the document here. So, but let's say you also are looking to fill in certain information that is something that you already know. Instead of having the external user fill it, you can do that now. So Zoho Writer's fillable templates also offers the capability to pre-fill fields in a fillable document. So this feature simplifies the completion process, making it faster and more efficient for users. Imagine you have a standard form that requires a certain information to be filled repetitively. With Zoho Writer's pre-fill option, you can eliminate the need for manual input each time. So this is particularly useful for recurring documents like purchase orders, expense form, or employee onboarding documents. By pre-filling the fields, you can expedite the process, reduce errors, and improve the overall productivity. So another notable feature in Zoho Writer is the ability to merge a document and then send it to be filled. Let's say you already have certain information in a data source, you merge it with the template, and once both these are merged, you still have certain information to be filled in by your external users or even your clients in this case. For example, let's take an order form. You are sending or delivering something to your client, and you want the invoice to be filled in by your client, just the delivery address. So in that case, you can make use of this merge and send as a form option. For instance, let's say you need to send a contract to a client for review. So with Zoho Writer, you can merge the contact template with the relevant client details, customize it according to their specific needs, and then directly send it to them for the information to be filled in. So this eliminates manual steps. So just as you can merge a template and send it as a form, you also have the ability to merge and invoke a custom function directly from Zoho Writer. So this takes automation to the next level by offering the ability to merge documents and invoke custom functions. So this empowers you to automate complex document workflows and integrate custom logic into your templates. We also provide a custom function gallery. So this gallery offers a collection of pre-built functions that you can readily incorporate into your templates, eliminating the need for complex coding or scripting. For in this case, let's take Zoho CRM. Let's take the leads module in Zoho CRM. Let's say I'm merging a record and sending it to a lead, and I'm saving the document into Zoho WorkDrive. And once this document is saved to WorkDrive, what if I want to attach this specific document to a record in Zoho CRM? By using our custom function gallery, you can link the file that is uploaded to Zoho WorkDrive to the record in Zoho CRM. It makes your process very much easier. And let us now explore the latest updates and exciting features that are cooking in Zoho Writer. On our list is the introduction of ChatGPT for Zoho Writer. So this leverages the power of AI to enhance your writing experience and provide real-time assistance. So imagine you're working on a document that need help refining your writing. So with ChatGPT for Zoho Writer, you can have an AI-powered assistant right within your application. So you can ask questions, seek suggestions, and even receive grammar and readability recommendations. So this enables you to enhance the quality of a content and streamline the editing process, ultimately saving the time and effort. So due to the rise of AI, so we will be implementing several features related to AI as well. So first up, we have started with a marketplace extension for ChatGPT. So let's say if you're looking to create a tweet, it can be done here. Let's say if you're trying to summarize the document, it can also be done here. So another exciting latest addition to Zoho Writer is the ability to translate content within the application easily. So this simplifies the translation process and expands your documents reach across different languages and audiences. Let us say you have a document that needs to be translated into multiple languages for a global audience. So with Zoho Writer's content translation feature, you can seamlessly translate your content within the application itself. So this eliminates the need for external translation tools or services. So you can either select specific content within the document, right click on it, and then go ahead and choose translate content to the preferred language that you would need. This also auto detects the source of the text. But if you want to convert all of the text to a different language, you can do that from the tools option in the left pane. And let us now delve into the exciting future plans for Zoho Writer and what's in store for the rest of the year. So starting with, now let us take a look at the exciting upcoming features. So starting with our ZIAI, the intelligent assistant in Zoho Writer. So with the upcoming feature, ZIAI will assist you in composing your content within seconds. So it can summarize or modify your text, helping you achieve the desired style and tone. So imagine you're working on a business proposal. You need to refine the language and ensure it matches your company's preferred style. So with ZIAIs, you can quickly compose based on different writing styles, so allowing you to customize the data within the document. So this also comes with its style library. So it puts headings, it gives you subheadings as well. So all you have to do is just generate the content and give your prompt. That's it. So I'll give you some time to look at the GIF. Next up, we have slash commands. So a powerful addition that simplifies your work and it makes it more accessible for users who prefer keyboard navigation. So I myself I prefer using the keyboard. So I don't like using the mouse or my trackpad. So it makes it easier if I use slash commands, which brings in everything within your left pane in Zoho Writer directly to the composing page. So all you have to do is just type in a slash, and you can perform various actions without using your mouse. So if you want to make or input a specific heading, you can do that here. If you're looking to make the content that you type in, the following content you type in bold, italics, or if you want to set up formatting, you can do that here. And let's say you want to execute certain commands or even mention your users using this slash commands option. Also excited to introduce file attachments. So this upcoming capability enables you to include attachments directly within your documents. Whether they are from Zoho Work Drive or from your desktop, it doesn't matter. Consider a scenario where you're working on a project report that requires supporting documents. So with file attachments, you can easily incorporate those files within the document itself. So this eliminates the need for separate file management, keeping everything in one place for convenience and organization. The great news is that this should also be available with our fillable document templates. So additionally, Markdown enthusiasts will be pleased to know that Zoho Writer will now support Markdowns, a lightweight markup language for formatting text. So if you prefer using Markdown syntax for formatting your documents, the Zoho Writer's upcoming support for Markdown will be a game changer. Another exciting addition to Zoho Writer is a read aloud feature, so which brings enhanced accessibility and convenience to your document reading experience. Imagine you're reviewing a lengthy document or need to proofread your content. So with the read aloud feature, you can select specific text or have the entire document read out to you. This functionality provides options to control the reading speed, navigate through headings, and play pause as needed. So as you can see in the gift, I simply select the content there, I click on it, click on the read aloud option, and it makes it easier for me to the content to be read out. But let's say if I want all of the content to be read out, I simply go to the left pane, go to the tools option, choose on read aloud, and this reads the complete document to me. So I can set up the speed of the how the text is being read at, or even pause and play. And next up, we have our automation templates, the enhancements that we're working on. So we have the exciting feature of conditional attachments during merge. So this functionality allows you to include attachments in the merge document only if specific conditions are met. Let's say if you want to send attachments based on the conditions that you have chosen. Let us say you are generating personalized contracts for your clients. So with conditional attachments during merge, you can set criteria such as deal size or specific requirements. So the attachments will be automatically added to the merge document if the certain conditions are true. So this feature allows that each recipient receives the relevant attachments, streamlining the process and increasing efficiency. So here you can see I'm adding conditional attachments. So based on the total number is greater than 2000. So I choose apply condition and choosing a document attachment from my desktop, or even it can be done directly from Zoho Work Drive. And so we have several enhancements related to merge. In our upcoming releases, Zoho Writer introduces aggregate and group by functionality. So this enhances the data analysis and organization within your documents. It's not just that you have to have a subform directly within CRM or your different applications across Zoho. Even if you do not have a related list or a subform, you can now directly do that from Zoho Writer. Imagine you're working with large sets of data. You can automatically calculate totals, averages, and other summary statistics based on these specific fields. So it is not that you have to create a table, design a table, put in more effort. So this can be automated by using the aggregate and group by function. So additionally, you can group data according to different criteria, allowing you to identify patterns, trends, and insights more easily. So this saves time and simplifies a complex task without manual effort. So I can group the product name, add a repeated column, a table. So based on the conditions that I would need. So this is how the aggregate option would work. Let me give you some time while you look at the GIF. Multiple options, not just insert as a simple repeat. You have insert option with a table row repeat. So all the features that you would have with your subforms in the merge template option. So you can do that now using the aggregate and group by directly from Zoho Writer. This is how the end result would look like. And next up, so we are also introducing select and repeat feature. So this is an additional topic that would relate to aggregate and group by as well. So this enhances the document merge capabilities and provides more flexibility in formatting. So let us say you're creating invoices or reports that involve repetitive content. So with the select and repeat, you can easily create dynamic layouts and use merge fields to populate the repeating sections. So this allows you to maintain consistent formatting while dynamically generating content for multiple records. So all you have to do is design the first row and using the select and repeat, and by making use of the merge tags, you can simply generate the upcoming rows for the table as well. So I choose a subform here that would involve the quarterly sales. a simple table repeat, when if required, a column repeat too. So this would again rely on how your client uses Zoho Writer, or how their client would vary. I'm sorry. So I had a network interaction in between. Let me continue. I'm sorry about that. Hope my audio is clear now. Can I continue?
Yes, Balaji, audio is clear, but we couldn't see the screen sharing.
Starting now.
Yeah.
Right. So all good now.
No, Balaji, still the screen is not seen. Yeah, I can see it now. Sure. Please continue.
Perfect. All right, perfect. So next up, with our signer templates, we have our conditional signers. So using this, you can set up specific signers to sign a specific deal within your documents. Let's say if you're sending out a document to be signed by your external users, so you can set who needs to sign based on conditions to be met. So let's say if you have a deal size of more than 200, so if this specific option is set as, so all you have to do is, once this condition is met, it will be sent out for signing. So only if certain criteria are met, it will be sent out to different signers. So let me just give you some time to have a look at the GIF. So I can set up multiple signers, and I'm giving if else conditions. So based on if a certain signer is available or not. And suppose you need to send documents for signature and want to automate the process based on specific conditions. So you can define criteria such as deal size or role. This is how the feature would help. The documents will be automatically sent to the appropriate signers based on if or not the conditions are met. Right. Thank you so much for patiently listening throughout the webinar. And I'm very sorry about the interruption that came at the last slide. So exciting times lie ahead for Zoho Writer as we introduce these upcoming features. And I hope the features that we discussed will aid in enhancing your businesses. Then over to Abhinay again. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Balaji. Thank you so much, team. That was an amazing show that we had. And thanks, Gautam, for your prompt responses to the question. So, we have three more questions here, Balaji. Hope you can answer it. So, let me read out the questions for you. This question is from Biswal. Excellent feature of translating into various languages. That way, it can be very impressive if clients see in their regional language. Is ODI included?
So yeah, so that is something that we'll have to check and confirm, Abhinay. So is it okay if we get back via email for that?
Yeah, definitely. I'll just make a note of the email ID and we'll share it with you. Hope it's okay as well.
Perfect. Sure.
And the next question is from Harish. Can you tell what's before read about?
Sorry, could you repeat?
Can you tell what's before aloud? I'm sorry, read aloud.
All right. So, like more information on read aloud, or the slide that was discussed up before read aloud. Read aloud.
Maybe that's what they're asking. What is before read aloud?
All right. Let me go to the slide then.
Yeah.
So we have file attachments. So this helps you to add attachments directly within the document. So it can be either from your desktop, or you can use an URL, or even add directly from Zoho Work Drive. But again, we also discussed about markdowns. So this is a custom language that is like it has been extensively used within MS Word as well. So we are introducing markdowns in Zoho Writer too. Maybe that's what you're looking for. Just a
Okay.
markup language tool.
All right. Hope the question is clarified, Harish. And I just got an update from Gautam that the Odia language is available. It's Odia, right? Okay, that language is available for translation.
Perfect then.
Okay. So we have one more question there.
Mhm.
The question was from just a minute, I'll just open it.
Sure.
Okay, I think that question was answered. I saw that wasn't unanswered. It was answered. Anyways, so is there any other questions, partners? Okay, there was a question asking, please, can you show an example for footnote, like a demo on how to use it?
Sure. Let me share my screen.
Okay,
Share my additional screen then. Just give me a quick minute.
definitely, sure. Balaji, if it's going to take time, can I start the poll for the session?
Sure, please go ahead.
So yes, partner, while Balaji shares the screen, let me take some feedback from you. So just wanted to check the overall feedback on the session. So we'll be having 3 seconds to close it. All right, I'll wait for 2 more seconds. Thank you, partner. Thank you so much.
Again, so
You got it. Okay, sure.
right. Okay. So footnotes generally are used when you're looking to add specific content, not just to the footer, but let's say if you have a legal document and if you'd like to add something as a reference, let's say even if it's a citation, you can add that to the bottom of the page. So you would have the option right here. So under insert, let me quickly get out of this page. So under insert, you have endnote and footnote. So footnote can be added to the end of the page. So whereas endnote is added at the end of the document. So let's say even in Wikipedia, you could have seen references and citations at the end of the page. So that is what footnotes are used for.
Wonderful. Thank you
That
so much,
is it.
Balaji. Okay. So we have one more question. Hi, Swati. Good to see you again. The question is, can you explain me that how we edit permissions according to their roles in organization?
Perfect. So yes, Swati. So this is where Zoho Workflow comes in place. So you have your team folders, and inside your team folders, you have specific roles and permissions. So based on a role that is given to a specific user, the permissions would vary. So you have viewer, view and comment, uh, edit, organize, and then an admin. But let's say you have users to just fill in content. That's where Zoho Writer specializes in. So you have view and comment, you have view and fill, so you have certain roles there. And we are also working on custom roles too.
Great. Okay. So I think we are nearing the end of the session. So let me publish a few more polls here. So was the topic relevant for your business development and everything? Great. All right, thanks. All right, I have one final poll to do. Okay, please give me a response on whosoever is not on the Connect channel. Please give me a response. Let me look into it and find a way to add you back. All right, all right, all right. I'll give 5 more seconds for this question because this is something we have to look into it deeply. Oh, thank you so much, partners. Thank you for your response. So, like I mentioned, please do share your feedback with us, and it would be helpful for us to, take a note of it. And I think, like I said, we are coming to the end of the session. So, thank you so much, Zoho Writer team. We had a great show. And partners, please do share your, queries or webinar topic requests to the mail ID that have been posted. Yeah, I posted the mail ID here. So please to share your feedback, or if you have any webinar topics to for us to cover, just share it with us. We'll definitely take a look into it. And I got a feedback. I got a request on about Zoho Creator product. So we are planning for a session for you. Just wanted to keep you informed of that. And a couple of weeks ago, we had a session on case studies. So if you have any case studies or use cases you might need help with, please share it to the above email ID that I've shared, and we would like to hear from you. We have a survey link. Kindly share your feedback there as well. And Balaji, can you put out your email ID here so that partners can reach out if they have any queries?
Sure. So I'll drop in
Yeah,
Zoho Writer's direct email address.
yeah, definitely, sure.
Right. So this would be the email address.
Cool. Thank you so much, Balaji. Thanks, partner. See you in the next session. So, next session is about one of the most anticipated sessions about social media marketing for B2B session. So, I'll share the registration link with you as soon as possible. So, I would like to see all of you in that session as well. Thank you so much, partners. Thank you, team. Thanks for joining.